Welcome to the video on how to purchase and scan barcoded packets. We have just made it easier to identify your RTOs. Use Meesho's barcoded products to package your orders by scanning the AWB and the packet QR code and reduce wrong RTOs by up to 70%. Let's first look at how to buy barcoded packets. Once you log in to the supplier panel using your email ID or mobile number, visit the orders section from the left to buy barcoded packets. You will see a yellow strip at the top of the orders section with a Buy Barcoded Packets button that you can click on. You will see a pop-up once you click or tap on Buy Barcoded Packets. Here you will see a list of tiles with various vendors and vendor details. Click or tap on Buy Now from a vendor of your choice and complete the payment to purchase the branded packets. You will need to use Meesho's supplier panel on the mobile browser to scan barcoded packets. Let's look at how to link your order with the branded packet in a little more detail. Open the supplier panel from the Meesho website on your mobile browser. Once the barcoded packets are delivered to you, you will see a Scan Now button. Tap on the button and give camera access to proceed if you haven't already. Your camera will open and the screen will prompt you to point the camera at your AWB barcode on the shipping label. Your camera will automatically pick up the AWB number after successfully scanning the barcode. You can see the number at the bottom left here. Once you finish scanning the AWB barcode, you will be prompted to scan the QR code next to a 15-digit code that comes with your barcoded packet. The camera then verifies the QR code and picks up the packet's QR number. Double check it to see if the numbers match the numbers written below the barcode on your shipping label and packet QR code. You can choose to rescan at this step if you so wish or submit details to link your barcoded packet and order. If the camera fails to read your AWB barcode or packet QR code, you can always input the details manually as well. Once the camera lets you know that it failed to read the barcode, you have two options. You can choose to rescan the barcode or input the information manually. Ensure to scan only packets linked to your own supplier ID and AWBs. Once you input the AWB or packet QR number, tap Next to submit the details and link your barcoded packet with your order. Do note, you can only submit these details before the order is picked up. You can check which orders have been scanned in the Orders section and in the Download Invoice section. We are implementing a revised RTO claim reimbursement approval policy. With this policy, only those RTO claims where orders were dispatched in unique barcoded packages will be investigated. The packages must have been bought from Meesho recommended vendors only. Check the notice board on the supplier panel for more details about the policy. You are all set to have a better handle on your RTO orders. Buy barcoded packets, reduce wrong RTOs, and boost business today. Happy selling on Meesho.